This is a case of Ravenna versus Villa Abreli, JR number 100708, October 16, 2009. Facts: Mary Ann and Pedro were husband and wife. The properties involved are Lot 7 acquired by the spouses during their marriage, Lot 8 acquired by Pedro when he was still single. House was built on Lot 7 and 8, built from their joint efforts and proceeds from a bank loan. Pedro got a mistress, Ana. Pedro offered to sell the house and two lots to the petitioners Ravenna. Mary Ann objected, but still he sold without a consent. He transferred all the belongings from the house to an apartment and prevented Mary Ann and the kids to enter their home. Thus, Mary Ann filed a complaint for annulment of sale. Pedro, during trial, declared that the house was built with his own money. Petitioner Ravenna testified that he brought the house and lot from Pedro upon examination of the title. Issue: whether the sale of the house and lot by Pedro was valid considering the absence of Mary Ann's consent. Ruling: the court held that the sale of one spouse of conjugal property without the knowledge of the spouse, sale is null and void. Sale of one spouse of conjugal property with the knowledge but without consent of the other spouse, sale is annullable within 5 years by a non-consenting spouse. Article 160 of the New Civil Code provides all property of the marriage presumed to belong to the conjugal partnership, unless it be proved that it pertains exclusively to the husband or to the wife.